but I always advise for you to go by steps. If you want to lighten your skin, if you want to brighten your skin, go one step at a time. Start with. Hi besties, so today we are going to be talking about how to use your body lotion and your body oils the right way. There is a way you are going to use your body oil alongside your body lotion, and you're not going to be seeing the effect of that body oil you are using. You are going to say the body oil is not working for you, but the problem is you are not using the body oil the right way. So I'm going to be telling you different ways that you can use your body oil alongside your body lotion to see maximum result, and this is depending on the body oil you are using. First of all, I want to let you know that there are different types of body oils. So depending the results you are expecting, you should be using the right body oil for the results you are expecting to get. Now, there are moisturizing body oils, okay? There are brightening body oils, and there are super brightening body oils, and there are lightening body oils, and there are whitening body oils. So if you are using a moisturizing body oil, okay, and expecting a brightening effect, then you are making a mistake. And if you're using a normal brightening body oil and you're expecting a super brightening effect, then you are making a mistake. Okay, so let me give you an example of moisturizing body oil. A moisturizing body oil is like Aveno body oil, it's like Palmer's body oil, it's like Dr. Teal's body oil. All those oils in that range, they are all moisturizing body oil. All they do to your skin is to moisturize your skin. Now, brightening body oils, normal brightening body oils are oils like Desert Vitamin C body oils. That is a normal brightening body oil. Vit Gold brightening oil. That is a normal brightening body oils. Now, when you talk about super brightening body oils, that is where you see Taravit. That is where you see body oils that contain two or three other ingredients that makes that particular body oil a super brightening oil. When you talk about what lightening body oils, those are oils that contain kojic acid, maybe glutathione, and depending the combination, it can be a whitening body oil. So I need you to understand this thing, so you are going to understand where the problem is from. Whether you are not using the body oil well, that's why you're not seeing the result, or you are using the wrong product for a different result you are seeking. So now the first way to use your body oils to see maximum result, depending on all these oils I have mentioned. So the first thing you're going to do is to figure out if that body oil you are using is actually the right body oil for your skin and the right body oil for what you are looking for. Okay, so the first way is to use it together. Okay, yes, to use it together. That is after applying your body lotion. Immediately after applying your body lotion, once you come out from the bathroom, you apply your body lotion. Once you are done applying your body lotion, you go ahead and apply your body oil. That is the number one way. Now, doing this way, that your body oil is going to serve as a sealant. Okay, that body oil is going to serve as a sealant to your skin. That body oil, if that body oil is like a lightening body oil or a whitening body oil, it is not going to have maximum effect on your skin. You are only going to be reaping very little benefit from your body oil using it that way. Okay, but the people that can use their body oils like this are people that are using either moisturizing body oils, like maybe you have dry skin and you are using a body oil to make you to boost the effectiveness of your body lotion. Do you get? So that is when you are going to use your body oils that way. That is using it immediately after using your body lotion. Now, another reason why you're going to use your body oil like this is if you're using a lightening body oil or a whitening body oil, but you don't want to get the effect of the lightening or the brightening so much or so fast, then you can use it that way because it's not directly penetrating into your skin. Now, another way to use your body oil, this one now is for people that want fast results, and this is for those who are using either a super brightening body oil or a lightening body oil or a whitening body oil, is to use it alone. Okay, and to use your body oil alone is to use it at night. Do not use your body oils in the daytime. That is body oils that have anything to do with super brightening, lightening, or whitening body oils. Please do not use it in the daytime. Even if you use your sunscreen, don't just use it in the daytime. In the daytime, use your moisturizing oil. Okay, so at night you are going to use your body oils immediately after having your bath. damp your body clean. Like, don't towel dry your body, just dry your body damp, and then go in with your body oil. And immediately after rubbing your body oil, if you are using a body oil, make sure as you are applying your body oil, you give your skin time to absorb the body oil before wearing your clothes. Sometimes a lot of us, our dresses, our 90s collect like 50 to 60% of the skincare products we use before going to bed. So usually when I use my body oil, I make sure that my fan is on. If you have an AC, then you are privileged. So make sure that where you are is very ventilated. So as you're applying the oil, before you wear your dress to sleep, okay, make sure that you give your skin like 1 to 2 minutes. Stay like Eve. Be like Eve for like 1 to 2 minutes. Let the oil take its time to penetrate into your skin a bit before you go ahead and put on your dress for the night. If not, if you just finish applying your oil and start putting on your dress, 50 to 60% of that product, that oil, because it has not sunk into your skin. Remember, this is oil. It's not like body lotion that has water and emulsify waters and emollients that like penetrate into your skin like ASAP. So yeah, allow your skin to absorb the oil, then you put on your clothes and don't go and lie down instantly. Still sit down and just give your skin 20 to 30 minutes to penetrate, to allow the oil to penetrate into your skin properly. Now, please do not mix any oil of any form into your body lotion. Why shouldn't you do this? When you do that, even if that's those mixtures, the body lotion is a good body lotion, the body oil is a good body lotion, it's a good body oil. When you mix these two ingredients together, because they are not from the same manufacturers, they are not from the same producers, okay, it might have adverse reaction on your skin. That is why a lot of you use body oils or use these combos like that, mixing your oil into a lotion, and it is going to either start giving you green veins, you are going to start having white patches, you are going to start seeing some reaction, and some people they even get darker. Okay, in as much as the two products they mix together are very good, but your skin is going to get darker. This is a reaction, this is a chemical reaction, because these two things, there might be something contained in the oil that is not supposed to be mixed inside here. Okay, so these are finished products. Don't mix any finished product together. The only thing you can even try to mix into your lotion is serums, because serums are built to be mixed. You're not supposed to carry a serum, a body serum, by the way. Okay, you're not supposed to carry a body serum and apply it on your skin. So these things, they are mixed for pro mixing. But body oils are final products. They have been made from the shelf to your skin, not from the shelf to inside another product. So do not mix your body oil. No matter who tells you to do so, please do not mix your body oils. Use them these two ways and you are going to reap the benefits of your oil. So if you want to reap 100% benefit of your body oil, you should use it the way I said. Use it alone. Don't use it with a moisturizer, because if you pair it with a moisturizer, you are going to be getting just the minimal effect of that lotion. It is going to be more of a sealant. Okay, that is preventing your body lotion, the liquid from your body lotion, from evaporating from your skin. Okay, that's what it is going to do. Just going to act as a sealant on your skin, other than giving you the benefit it is supposed to give you on your skin. So this is the best way, or these are the two best ways to use your body oils to get whatever results it is you are looking for. So remember, if you are using if you buy a super brightening body oil, a super whitening body oil, I will suggest you start off with the first way, which is using it alongside your body lotion. This is so your skin is going to get used to those whitening ingredients, so you don't damage your skin on the long run. But I always advise for you to go by steps. If you want to lighten your skin, if you want to brighten your skin, go one step at a time. Start with moisturizing body oils, okay, then you graduate to brightening body oils, then you graduate to super brightening body oils, then before you can start using a lightening body oil. This way your skin is going to follow you. Okay, this your skin is going to go with you. So you're not just going to carry a lightening lotion and start applying on a dark skin. Your skin is going to react wrongly to that step. Okay, so that's everything I have to tell you in this video. If you have any questions, any concerns, let me know in the comment section, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching this one, and I hope I answered your questions. I'm going to see you on our next one.